Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can see through your mesh. Yeah, if you're working on your mesh and you like to see through your mesh, this is the video for you. Please watch this until the very end. And I'll really appreciate if you could subscribe. If this video helped you, of course, subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. And now let me show you what you have to do. Basically, you have to click on your keyboard Alt plus Z, and now you can see through your mesh. Okay, and you can also do it manually. If you go here, okay, you click Alt Z. If you go here, you toggle basically the X ray shortcut Alt Z. You can see there as well. Okay, you can also click here, but I like to use the shortcut Alt Z. That's what I usually do. So I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you.